Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Ismail and my matrix number is B071710545. Okay, the device that I got for lab test is timer delay relay. Timer delay relay has two types, which is on delay timer and off delay timer. Okay, for the on delay timer, it has two types also, which is normally open time close and normally close time open. And for the off delay timer, it also has two types, which is normally open time open and normally close time close. The symbol of the device is shown on the slide. Okay, the physical construction of the device. The device consists of four sections. The first section is power supply section. It supplies the applied voltage to the internal components. Next is the input section. Receive signal from input device and outputs the signal to the timing section. The third section is timing section. Measures the time and outputs a signal to the output section at specified time. And the last section is the output section. Output signal to output device. Okay, the working principle of the device. Okay, for the normally open time close type, it is normally open when the coil is de-energized. It closes by the application of power to the relay coil, but only after the coil has been continuously powered for the specified amount of time. The direction of the contact's motion is identical to a regular normally open contact, but there is a delay in closing direction. The delay occurs in the direction of coil energization. It is known as normally open on delay. Okay, next, the normally closed time open type. Normally closed when the coil is de-energized. It open with the application of power to the relay coil, but only after the coil has been continuously powered for the specified amount of time. The direction of the contact's motion is identical to a regular normally closed contact, but there is a delay in opening direction. The delay occurs in the direction of coil energization. It is known as normally closed on delay. Okay, now the normally open type. It normally open when the coil is de-energized. It closes by the application of power to the relay coil. Timing action occurs upon the energization of the coil rather than upon energization. The delay occurs in the direction of coil de-energization. It is known as normally open off delay. Okay, and the last one is normally closed time close type. It normally closes when the coil is de-energized, open by the application of power to the relay coil. Timing action occurs upon the energization of the coil rather than upon energization. And the delay occurs in the direction of coil de-energization. It is known as normally closed off delay.